Hickman Creations, Gunter, Texas, hot rod shop. Really cool place to drive by and ogle at the cars out front. Even better to go inside. A car tour recently passed through August 12th, 2023. Had a fantastic time. So in this video, I'd say pull in with your favorite car, sit back, get yourself a drink, and let's go inside and see what's going on at Hickman Creation as this car tour blew through August 12th. Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you for checking out this video. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Hickman Creations, a really cool car shop in Gunter, Texas. That's North Texas. Obviously, a lot of cool cars are, well, restored and hopped up at this wonderful facility. I'm going to focus a lot on the car tour cars themselves. Some of Keith and Brandon Hickman and the other team members at the Hickman Creations shop. Just an idea of, the people milling around and what kind of happened a little bit. But, really just focusing on the cars and enjoying all of that. Going to play a little bit of music here as well. So sit back, relax, and let's have a good time. That was a good chunk of the group as they drove in. Now I'm going to walk around Hickman Creations and the fire station across the street and take a look at some of the cars. As I meander around showing you some of the cars, there were a ton of Corvettes. They just dominated the tour. And there were a couple of beautiful pickup trucks. Very striking, extremely well done trucks. Really, in this group of tour cars, there were as many newer cars as there were old classics. In case you're wondering, this car group, I believe, is based out of Dallas. They are called the Morning Maniacs. So the Morning Maniacs Car Enthusiast Group. Here is the Morning Maniacs website. It is literally morningmaniacs.com. Here's the owner of Hickman Creations, Keith Hickman, with the first gentleman, possibly the leader of the pack for the Morning Maniacs. And Keith's wife with another couple that was visiting. And then here is Brandon Hickman talking to another gentleman out front. Brandon with his significant other having a great day. Keith and Brandon with three of the other team members at the shop. That's Jerry in the black shirt talking to some of the visitors. In the center is Keith Montgomery talking to other visitors. As I was, moseying around getting pictures of everything going on, there was another YouTube channel there. Brand new YouTube channel. Don't have a name for them yet, any of that jazz, but they were really nice people and had a great time visiting with them. Just a few more pictures of people milling around at the shop before I move on to actually going through a bunch of the cars individually. Because I really like Corvettes, I'm going to present to you the newer generation Corvettes, including the new Z06, all the way down to a C3 Corvette that had shown up. All of them wonderful cars, and here we go with these. I would like to conclude now by saying thank you very much to Hickman Creations. Keith Hickman, Brandon Hickman, and the rest of the Hickman team. Y'all are wonderful, and I appreciate using part of your Friday and Saturday for this tour. That was wonderful of you to help out and allow other people to come by and absorb your time for their pleasure. And for all of y'all watching this video, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe or follow. And with that, relax, take it easy. I'll see you later. I'm going to continue this with just some music and more vehicles, wonderful vehicles, that also had come to the show. So let's take a look at them.